Hi everyone, so in the previous video we looked at a few apps and websites which you can use to help you to better edit your photos and videos in your real estate business. Before we continue, I would appreciate if you could subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up as it will greatly help with YouTube's algorithm for this video and this channel. So in today's video, there are 4 apps that we'll be looking at to help you in your research and knowledge in real estate. So these apps are not sponsored by any company or individual. These apps are based on my personal experiences. So the first app that we're going to look at is EasyLaw. So we're going to key in here on the phone, EasyLaw. As you can see here, EasyLaw is very recognizable by red borders and background at the back there. So EasyLaw is very useful in the sense that you can use it to do a lot of calculation. You can use it to calculate your legal fees, stamp duty, mortgage and loan, late payment interest, real property gains tax, balance release for the SPA if you are a lawyer, the legal fees, and also you can use to calculate the EasyLand search, which we will go into later. So you're going to calculate the legal fees for the stamp duty, click the legal fees, and you bring up the calculator to calculate the legal fees and the stamp duty for the SPA or the sales and purchase agreement. And you're going to add more calculation figures, click advance. You can also calculate the legal fees and the stamp duty for the loan, and go ahead, click advance to add in extra calculation figures. And also if it's a rental case, you can also calculate the stamp duty for the tenancy agreement. So go ahead and key in the monthly rental and the number of years that the tenancy agreed upon and signed for. And next will be the mortgage and loan. So you can key in the purchase price and also the margin of finance, how many percent loan that you're taking, or the loan to value ratio, and how many years that you can take the loan for. So in Malaysia here, it's up to 35 years of loan or up to 70 years of age. And you can also key in the MRTA. MRTA is the mortgage reducing term assurance, which is the insurance on your mortgage taken. So next is the late payment interest, and then we have here is the real property gains tax. So you can calculate how much property gains tax you have to pay an owner if you sell a property. So you can go ahead and add in the purchase date or acquisition date of the property, the disposal date, the date when you dispose of the property, your nationality if you are Malaysian, foreigner or company, and also whether the property is residential or non-residential. And next here is the balance release. So this is for the lawyers. So now we go on to the main part, which is the EasyLand search. So now we are on their website. Earlier we were on the EasyLaw app. So as you can see here, you can do an online land search from RM20 nationwide. It's available in KL, Selangor, Johor, Penang, Perak, Sabah, Sarawak, etc. So here's a brief view of the homepage. So we're going to do a land search, especially in this time MCO, and I don't know whether even MCO or whether we are phase 1 or EMCO, FMCO or whatever MCO. But this EasyLaw is helpful for those of you who need to do title search or land search for property or land that is in another location than you're in now. So for example, if you're in KL and there's a property in, let's say, Malacca or Negeri Sembilan, and you need to do a land search, this is a good platform for you to use. Okay, so as you can see here, so to add in a land search, there's a few boxes and categories you need to fill in. So we have here, you can search whether you want a private land search or official land search or certified true copy of title, and then you can choose where the location of the property is according to the states and also the daerah. So for example, we want to look in Selangor, then we must know where the property is. So for example, okay, it's in Petaling, and then the property is, say, for example, in Mukim, Damansara, because there are other locations here, which you can choose from. So we're going to choose Mukim Damansara, and you must know what kind of title search that you want to search for. So the Geran Mukim. And once you've chosen which title type, then you key in the hak milik or title number. It's important that you know what the title number here, and then the lot number of the property, and whether the title is strata title or not, and you can request for hard copy or physical copy. And then to help the person doing the search easier, you can upload a reference file and then key in the reference file number or name for reference here. So once you have keyed in all this information, go ahead and click submit. You've done the title search and you've gotten back a copy of the title. Owner of the property is a company, not an individual. So you want to go and find out more about this company, and this will bring us to our second website or app for today, which is SSM. Okay, so now here we are in SSM. In Malay is Suruhanjaya Syarikat Malaysia. In English is Companies Commission of Malaysia. So for anybody that wants to set up a company or business in Malaysia, this is the website and the department that you need to come to. So we are going to go to the Buy Corporate Information. Here you want to click to search for the company information. Okay, so you see here there are a few more links that you can go to. We're going to click company profile. So as you see here, I've already logged in. So after logging in, so we'll go straight to search for the company profile or business profile and other information that you need about the company and business. So you can search for a lot of things about the company. Like I mentioned, you can search basic and brief information, or you can go into detail and more information and document about the company. So we're going to go ahead and click search here. And for this video, we're going to type in a name. Of course, you can search according to the registration number of the company. So we're going to go ahead and click test, for example, and click search. So here it comes out a lot of examples of companies with the name test and their various registration numbers and the products that you can buy from SSM to search about the company's profile,
financial comparison, registered address, director, commission, shareholder, commission,
share capital, and more. So if you need any information and any of the documents, go ahead and click add to cart, and then you can buy the document. So for example, if you want to buy a company profile document, you can click add to cart. So after you have purchased the relevant products and documents and information that you need, you will be able to download the product and document. So next will be our third website, which is JUPEM, or otherwise known as Jabatan Ukur dan Pemetaan Malaysia. So you have got your title, you've got the relevant information such as the lot number of the title and roughly where is it, but you want to know exactly where is the location of the property. This is the site that you can come to search. So go over to eBiz here. Go to Lot Cadastre Berdigit. So here you click NDCDB and you click the negeri, and you must know the lot number. Okay, for example 1477. Okay, so you bring up a range of locations that match the lot number in Selangor according to the daerah. So daerah will so you look at 1477 Selangor, Petaling, Sungai Buloh. So you click lihat peta. Okay, so here's the location of the lot or property that you're looking for. So you have a more overview. So now you know where the location of the property and you want to know what is the zoning. So we'll go over to the next website, which is iplan.itownplan.gov.my. So this information is purely for your own information use. So an iTownplan, in terms of zoning, you can choose whether it's semasa, which is current, or you can search for the zoning, or whether it's been committed already. So for example, okay, we're going to click zoning. So of course there are so many colors here. You can know what is the legend or the information of each color. You click here, petunjuk brings up the information on the colors. So we have industry, we have
perumahan, we have tanah lapang, agency, and we have commercial with zoning area.
So from today's video, we have picked up a lot of information about the title, how to get the zoning, where to get the lot information, and also where to get and how to get information about the company through SSM. So I hope you learned a lot from today's video, and I appreciate if you could give a like and thumbs up for this video. And if you like more videos to learn more about real estate, click the subscribe button below. So thanks for tuning in. Have a great day and week ahead.